Alright, folks. Alright, folks. What are we doing? Welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle channel with an episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Maybe. If, I don't have, I do have a lot to do. Run an intro and we'll talk about it. It's, yeah. Oop. The Po S10 is living up to its name. Seems like I get one thing fixed and something else. Anyway, last episode you seen, we got it booming and everything working. So I was like, great, we can start buttoning it up, putting the interior back together. I said, well, first before I make that amp and all, let's make sure it works. The amp that I had, the sound, what was it called? It's 70 watt per channel, 4 channel. Stopped working. I don't know why. It's working fine. Look back at it, wouldn't come back on. So, check your fuse. Well, I don't have but the one big fuse from the battery. The other amp's on. Make sure I had ground and everything. Nope. Nothing. There's no fuse in access fuse. So I just said, screw it. I'll send it back. I got the other amp, the Rockford Fosgate. This one, because these are the ones I ordered like 4 years ago and thought I was going to do it and then didn't do it. But it's a 200 watt amp. It's this one here. So I put it back in and it works. Sounds okay. So that's what we're running. Even though it is a 2-channel, we're running 4 speakers off of it. It seems to work fine. If it gets down the road, then we'll quit down the road and we'll go some other routes. But right now, just 2 days ago, it was working. So I said, okay, now I gotta go back to the original plan, which I was gonna, and then we didn't. But I made it. I still using that amp rack I made for them, for this, and so yeah, pretty much it's just cleaning up wires, and it took me all day to do that. Well, we went shopping and grocery shopping, and I had to send that amp back to get my money back on it. So yeah, and pretty much just a lot of wires we was trying to hide, so that's where we at. I said we might get it done today. I don't know, because it's starting to rain. So yeah, and it's just, you've seen me do it. You've seen somebody do it. I don't know. We could and I was going to I recovered that amp cover thingy a little bit better. And I was going to redo that cover that goes over the radio head unit. Hey, it's been raining off and on. I can't find nothing. What am I doing now? I'm looking for my jigsaw. I found my jigsaw. So I'm going to cut this out. The base plate. For my head unit. Circus. I don't know who that was. Your fab table can use for woodworking. If you're woodworking, you're still fabricating out of wood. So yeah. for me. I'd rather be doing this outside, so make a mess. Sawdust is biodegradable. Gotta be like turtle. Be like turtle. Slow and steady. When I keep paint, because I don't have the patience. I made a square hole or round. Nothing's round. I'll be right back. Let me go see if it fits. It's raining. I don't want to get you wet. You might melt. That just came to me while I was out there. I did do a little trimming because there's a little tabs that stick out from the heater control. Other than that, dang cough. Other than that, it fits pretty good. I'm gonna go to my new sander. Smooth stuff up. I need a sawdust catcher. Upholstery 101. That's the basics. This is genuine fake leather. Preather. I want just enough to. Now I forgot which is top. It doesn't matter, does it? Yeah. Yeah, that's this top. You want the top to be showing. Good pair of scissors, even though these came from Home Depot. I really like them. Home Depot, no Harbor Freight. Still waiting on my influencer stuff. Want to be an influencer for Harbor Freight, so they'll send me free stuff, like all these big time YouTubers that can afford it. All right, which one did I say? The top, I think. Double check everything. What we should do, because yeah, that asked for me. Check that after me. Damn it. I almost said I forgot what top was. You ever get a song stuck in your head? Eminem and Nate Dogg. Dang, this spraying everywhere. Shake. I've been to the motherfucking mountain. I ain't got a rock. I ain't got a whip, and I'll pick up a rock. Oh, man. The stuff I say. Bottom dum bum bo 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 that looks like crap. You know what I should do? That's what I should do. put some felt on it. That way it'll look better. You won't see all the wrinkles. I got enough. Dang it. Just how you mean just to hold it. I have enough. It's raining, but it's not really not raining. It's drizzling. Drizzling. Sharp knife blade. We're gonna cut this. We're gonna try to cut it. And it's not gonna work. Need a new razor blade. I got my razor blade. Moment of truth. I glued it to the table. See? Pretty. Clean surface would have been really better. Alright. I think I just broke it there. Shh, don't tell nobody. You see what I did there? Cut to the corner and then cut this and then fold this piece over and it leaves a good, pretty good edge. Good enough for me. And the girls I date. Shh, don't tell nobody. I had it. Here's a little trick. I don't know if it's a trick. Probably people that knows how to upholstery better than I do. See, I'm doing it wrong. Probably am. Hey, but it works. But if you take and cut almost, not all the way to the top corner, something like that, cut it in a V, you can fold it over and then cut, you know what I'm saying? I hope so, because Sometimes I don't. Cut off the excess. Didn't need that one anyway. Alright, let's go see if it fits. I wanted to show you, I wanted to make sure it fit before I showed you. And my battery's about dead, so this might make another video. But here's where we at. It fits. See? Fits. Had that carpet all clean, kinda. The speakers are in there. Just gotta put the top back on and my cup holders, and then we gotta clean it. And I gotta put that thing on it. And that thing goes back here on the back. Yep. Kind of looks like a panda with all the black and white. I call it tuxedo look. I believe that's what they call it now. Anyway. Alright, I'm done. My back hurts because I've been out there bending over. Yeah. I'm not a young spring chicken anymore. I never was a spring chicken. That's chickens that's born in the spring. And they're very active, I guess. Check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you down the road.